I really want to offer on behalf of our delegation, on behalf of President Biden and Secretary Blinken and all of the American people, our sincerest condolences to the people of Pakistan for all that they have lost thus far in this terrible, terrible flooding. We remain steadfast in our support for the people of Pakistan in this moment of crisis. The entire team are committed to doing whatever we can in the coming weeks and months and indeed years to help the people of Pakistan recover from these terrible floods.